Hello my lovelies. In today's video I'm going to be showing you what's in my mini fridge. I haven't done one of these in a couple of weeks and I'm sorry I forgot, but let's go ahead and get into this. So in my freezer I have my Dollar Tree ice cube trays, the flamingo and the pineapple ones. This container just has ice I've already made. And then back there I have some Luigi's Italian ice and the lemon flavor. I have some El Monterey breakfast burritos. They're sausage, bacon, egg, and cheese. I have some Turkey Hill stuffed moose tracks ice cream, some frozen strawberries, and an ice pack. And at the door, I just have some cold packs and some ice packs. And the fridge, otherwise, it's fully stocked. As you can tell, I'm fixing to meal prep some videos. Meal prep some food, and I'll show you that in a video. But anyway, I have some apple cider vinegar capsules by Biotin, which is 10,000 mcg, and cinnamon, which is 1,000 milligrams. I have my almond milk, which is the original almond milk, unsweetened. I have a bottle of Barefoot Rosé. So let's get into what's in my mini fridge. I have some coconut oil capsules. These yogurts are really good. They're Noosa. I have them in the vanilla bean, the salted caramel, another vanilla bean, another salted caramel, a coconut one, another vanilla bean, another salted caramel, and another vanilla bean. The salted caramel and the vanilla bean tend to be my favorites. So, this I'm actually going to throw out. It's just some leftover pizza from last week. I have some meal prepped food, as you can see right here. I have a big thing of strawberries. These are by Central West. I have some quinoa. This is one of my favorite things to have for breakfast. I do low-fat cottage cheese with some strawberries and blackberries. I have a thing of whole carrots in here. I have more quinoa, 2 jars of quinoa, another thing of low-fat cottage cheese, and some more blackberries, which I'm going to organize as we go along. I'm actually going to put this up here. So hold on guys, give me 1 sec, because I can actually stack some things. There we go. So my cottage cheese is right there, some vanilla yogurt, and some sweet gherkin pickles. This is just a thing of a vegan cheese that I use. I don't like to have dairy every day because I have daily sinus issues, so this actually cuts into me, and it's plant-based, and then I just have some barbecue sauce from McDonald's. So that is what's in my mini fridge, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, lovelies.